Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the realm of spooky Halloween decor with a product that promises to up your fright game, the hilarious Halloween skull. If you're looking to transform your space into a bone-chilling dungeon, this might just be the perfect addition. Let's explore what makes this skull so special. This skull isn't your average Halloween decoration. Its gloomy human skeleton bone texture and dark gray colors lend it an air of realism, as if it were plucked straight from an ancient dungeon. Whether you're hosting a haunted house party or simply aiming to give trick-or-treaters a good scare, this prop is designed to impress. Crafted with attention to detail, the hilarious Halloween skull is posable, allowing you to adjust its stance for different eerie displays. This flexibility makes it not only a standout piece for Halloween but also a versatile addition to any macabre-themed decor year-round. Imagine this. Placed strategically on a mantle, peeking out from behind cobwebs, or even as a centerpiece for a spine-chilling tablescape. Its lifelike appearance is sure to draw attention and spark conversations about your impeccable taste in Halloween decor. And let's talk durability. Made from high-quality materials, this skull is built to withstand the elements, ensuring it remains a staple in your Halloween arsenal for many seasons to come. At just $17.59, it's a small price to pay for such a big impact on your Halloween ambiance. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best skeleton head Halloween decor that combines realism with affordability, look no further than the hilarious Halloween skull. Whether you're a seasoned Halloween enthusiast or just getting started, this prop promises to elevate your spooky celebrations to bone-chilling heights. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Until next time, happy haunting!